got it ready here. Got the costume for the romantic love story. Yes, one of the most popular genres of movie is the love story. We all know the movies of Bette Davis, of Jennifer Aniston, of Seabiscuit, and oh, Red Ron, and what are you doing? Oh. What have you done now? I'm trying to tell them about love stories. We're not doing love stories, we're doing sports movies. We're not doing sports movies. I'm dressed for the race. I'm dressed to be doing the racing commentary. I'm going to be doing mine in the style of, I'm supposed to be John McClure. I'm supposed to be John McClure. I'm supposed to be John McClure. Give me the one. I'm Claire Balding. No, and mine says we're doing all... Where's my dress? Was I wearing a dress? Was I wearing a dress?
No.
Oh no, just spotted it down here. That's the dress I was wearing. So, I can't be bothered to put the dress on. And you look like you got a hairy back. Forget them. Can we just make a mental note to the video camera? Something